Welcome to our channel. Internal resistance testing involves passing current through the battery, which, if not controlled properly, could lead to short circuits and potential battery damage. Semco offers an exceptional solution to these challenges through their premier cell sorting technologies. Here are the 5 key features of this machine. Safety indicator for maintaining operational safety. Pressure valve to maintain the desired hydraulic pressure. Hopper, adjustable hopper for different cell sizes. Channels, there are 10 channels in this machine. LCD to access the inbuilt software for the operation. How our products look like?